Hey, how y'all doing? This is Marquesian Gibbs, CEO and founder of Investment Genius Academy. And today I want to talk about investing. A lot of people want to know and need to know how much should they invest in trading, in forex, in stocks, um, everything combined. Okay, your overhead, your expenses per month, everything. I'm going to explain everything in my opinion. Okay, if you purchase a training course, either it's from me or from whoever, that's a part of your investment. Okay, you add that up, right? That's your initial cost. Okay, now, well, let me rewind back. The first thing you're going to need that I recommend is a computer or laptop. Okay, you may see a lot of traders trading with their phones and showing profits and making money with their phones, which is highly possible. But if you're new to this and you're a beginner, I recommend getting you a computer or a laptop because with the MetaTrader 4 platform and the app, you can do more with your desktop. You can see more. It's easier to maneuver through. In my opinion, once you get good with the phone, yes, you can do um, make money with the phone, but your laptop is a part of your expense. Okay, I recommend a laptop because the good thing about trading, right? You want to be able to trade anywhere at any time. Okay, so you can have a desktop now. If you already have one, cool. That's good because you can treat it like a 9 to 5. As long as you're at your desktop at the time that you need to trade, then you're fine. You can take your trades on your desktop. Okay, so either way, but I recommend a laptop just in case you're on vacation or whatever the case may be. You're out and about. You can use your laptop, and worst case scenario, you can use your cell phone. Okay, so the laptop is pretty much an expense, and I recommend that, especially when you're new to this, because what I teach in my training course, um, you cannot do some of these things that I'm going to show you with your phone. Okay, so it's ways around it, but you have to have a high level of experience to implement these things with your cell phone. So you check off your laptop. If you already have one, you don't have to worry about that being a part of your investment. Okay, all right. So if you do though, if you don't have one, then you have to purchase a laptop. If you decide to purchase the training, which you're going to need training, you have a slim chance that you can figure the market out. You may see some things that no one else sees and learn how to trade, but the statistics say you will fail because I think it's 95% or maybe even 99%, 90%, 95% of the traders lose money, right? And I've been in that category before. But your laptop, paying for some training really is a necessity. Um, you really need that. And how much do you invest in your trading account? Okay, your trading account is what you'll actually be flipping your money with. You'll be taking trades with the money that you invested, right? It's just like buying a share or investing some money in a company. You put that money in expecting that money to gross, right? To gain some income. So the money that I recommend you to invest with, it's not a lot, but it's not very, very small. Now you can invest it as low as I want to say $50, $10, just something real low. A lot of brokers, the broker that I use, I think you can deposit $10 in your account and start trading. Okay, and people have flipped accounts like that. They have done that. But with my trading style and what I do not recommend doing anything stupid like that. You won't even be able to follow my trades. I take a lot of trades. Okay, so you'll run out of margin real quick. You'll run out of collateral, and you won't be able to take nothing but one trade at a time with an account that small. So you don't want to play putting $40, $50 in your account, which is possible that you can um, make it work. So what I recommend is nothing less than $200 starting out. Okay, so if you're not ready to invest that amount, which I actually recommend more, I said nothing less than 200. So I really recommend at least starting out with about 400, 3 to 400 within that range. You don't have to put any more. If you have thousands to play with, fine. But it's best to start off small in Forex. And I know $400 may not be small to a lot of people who are in situations, but I mean, $400 is not a lot of money, point blank, period. Um, so if you can invest, if you can afford to invest $400, that's all you'll really need. Okay, because what I recommend in that range and not 1,000 or 1,500. Yes, you can make more money when you invest the big amounts. Yes, you can make more money when you invest the big amounts. You can make more money, but you have to look at it as if you're signing up to a program and you really learn how to trade and the strategies are working and the systems are working and you have good money management skills that is taught to you by your mentor, you should have a high chance to flip the money that you invested. So if you invest 400, you got to be looking to flip that, right? So if you can take that 400 into 800 in 2 weeks or a week or two, then you take that 800 to 1600 in another 2 weeks. Now you got 1600 in a month off your 400. Now you got the 1,000 that you were thinking about putting in just a month. Now, if you said, "Man, I'm just going to start off big," and that's how it was when I first started out. And I didn't even know how to trade. I thought I did, but I didn't. So the thing with investing a small amount is that the psychological part of Forex is a monster. Seeing your money move and fluctuate, knowing when you're in a trade, when you're looking like you're down, you're losing trades, you're winning, then you're losing, then you're winning. It's it takes a while to conquer that psychological battle with the market to see your money fluctuating. So it's better to conquer it and learn how to be patient and trust what you're doing with smaller amounts of money. Okay, with smaller amounts of money. So you'll be taking like 20-cent trades or 40-cent trades, things like that, where if you lose a trade, you're not losing that much. You're losing $20 or $15, $10. You may be down $8. And the same thing with the wins, but it's just the psychological part of looking at it when you're down on trades or you take a loss. Okay, it's not like looking at you just lost 100, 200, 300 on one trade. So you have to look at it. Now, you can invest a large amount and still trade small. I mean, you can invest in a large amount, yes, and still trade small. So you can do that too. That's even better if you think you're going to have a problem with greed or whatever the case may be. People who have those issues like gambling habits, Forex might not be for you. What else? People that are very, very, very impatient. If you can't wait on anything, you just can't, you're just anxious. I don't think Forex is for you, or trading in general is for you, stocks or whatever is for you. So just think about it. Now, back to what I was saying, I recommend that you invest inside your trading account $200 to $400. Okay, 200 to 400. 500 if you got the money. I say 500 is a real nice amount to go with, but 200 on up. Okay, nothing less than two, and don't go too big. Don't go put 10,000 in your account. But like I said, Forex it's here. It's not going anywhere. Trading is not going anywhere. You have the demo that you can practice on before you even put your real money in your account or actually start trading with your real money. So just take it easy, be relaxed, be calm, and that's what I recommend. how much you should invest. Okay, so the training course, laptop, investing in your trading account, and then also your overhead each month is nothing but Wi-Fi. Okay, so pretty much everyone has Wi-Fi at their home, or you have mobile hotspot on your phone, which you can use. I use that from time to time, and that's it. So I'm gonna get with you guys later. Peace.